Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. But also this week, this is going to be an entry into Gail's Southern Living. She's having an open collaboration. You can look it up, hashtag Cozy Fall Soup 22. What we're going to be doing is making pizza soup. I love pizza, and let's make it into a soup. And what we're going to have today, we've got Italian sausage. We've got the mild kind. Now, if you want to have hot or the sweet, that's entirely up to you. Once again, folks, make this yours. We're just giving you an idea, and then you can come up with whatever you want. Make cooking fun. Alrighty. We're going to be using Parmesan cheese, mushrooms. We've got a can of diced tomatoes. And we got 2 different cans of pasta sauces. You can use pizza sauce, just tomato soup would work, just whatever you want. And then we'll have some mozzarella cheese here, pepperoni, an onion, salt, and then here's some pepper. And we're also going to put a little bit, probably about a teaspoon of sugar in there, just to give it a little bit of sweetness. Not a lot. Alrighty, what we're going to do, we'll start off first. We'll brown up our sausage, put some onion down in it, and then we'll drain the grease off, and then we'll start adding everything else to it. See you in just a minute. Alrighty, we started browning up our sausage. We're going to put our onions in, Carolyn diced up for us. Now I'm going to grab a pepperoni. We quartered up the pepperoni. Alright, this is going to be a nice thick hearty soup, folks. And like I said, make this yours. We've got pepperoni, mushroom, Italian sausage. Go as simple or as much stuff as you want in it. Make, like I said, just cook happy. And don't be afraid. Trust me, if I can do this, you can do this. Alright, now we're going to put our can of diced tomatoes in there. It's a 28 ounce can. And then our pasta sauce. Now, I'll give this a stir, get it all mixed up. And then we'll bring that to a boil. And then we'll put it on a simmer. And also, folks, I got some garlic bread. We're going to toast it, put it in the oven, and then we can cut it up to put in our soup. See how nice and thick and soup that is? Alright, we're going to put our teaspoon of sugar in there. And then we're going to let this here heat up, and then we'll salt and pepper to taste. And then once again, if you think it needs something else, you go right ahead, folks. Alrighty, I just put a teaspoon of salt in there. Alrighty, we're going to put a little bit of the Parmesan cheese in now. Not that much there for us. If you want more, put more. If you want a little less, put less. Just stir that all up in there good. And then you have more there for when you get your bowl out. And then we've got the mozzarella cheese. We'll put that in each individual bowl. Now, we'll test it here in just a minute. Taste it, test it, something. Just bear with us, folks. And then we'll see what else it needs. Alrighty, we're gonna put a little bit of pepper. Carol said it didn't need much. Alrighty, folks, here's the finished product. It looks pretty good. Once again, I'd like to thank Gail's Southern Living for having this open collab. And remember, folks, it's hashtag Cozy Fall Soup 22. I'd like to thank y'all for watching, and you all have a great day. We'll be seeing you soon.